Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to get default gateway from all the DHCP scopes from the DHCP server. Open Server Manager, go to Tools and open DHCP console. Expand your DHCP server, IP version 4 and your scope. Come to scope options and here you can see router. So for each and every scope, you can just go and see what that router defined in your particular DHCP scope. So if you are having multiple DHCP scopes, sometime 1000, 2000s, so it will be difficult to check and collect the DHCP scope from each and every DHCP scopes. It is not mandatory to collect the DHCP gateway from each and every DHCP server or DHCP scope, but sometime activity for your environment, because sites are being open, sites are being closed. If you are not identified by the particular person who was involved in the site decommission activity, then you will not be aware that particular DHCP scope is not in use. So you will have multiple DHCP scope in your DHCP server that are not in use. So you can clean up them. How you can clean up them? Just collect the DS routers from each and every DHCP scope, ping them. 99%, sometimes ping are disabled, but most of the times ping are enabled for the router as well, and you can just ping them and see whether those DHCP scopes are in use or not. You can also confirm by coming in the address leases. If you are not seeing any active lease in your DHCP scope and router is also not pinging, you can consider that unused DHCP scope and you can just contact your person who was responsible for this particular site, and you can get the approval to delete those particular DHCP scopes which are not used. But I would say before deleting, you should export the configuration of your each and every DHCP scope. I have created another video to check or export or import as well single DHCP scope or multiple DHCP scope or entire DHCP server. You can choose whatever you want to, and I have also created another video for pinging multiple IPs together so that you can use for your purpose. Instead of pinging each and every one and making the record, you can do the things easily in less time. So this was the manual thing that we were collecting the DHCP scopes. Now we will come here in the PowerShell. So you just need to mention your DHCP server name. Rest will remain same. Here you also need to mention your DHCP server name, and once you run this, you will get the default gateway IP or router IP from DHCP scopes. So it is not mandatory from where they are, but you are only focusing on particular DHCP particular router from your DHCP server, and you want to know from where it should belong to. So you can just consider not 100% but 99%. The last digit will be 0 in most of the cases, not all the cases, depending on the subnet mask defined to your network address. So in the 99 case or 90%, I would say that last value will be 0, and you can come here and see, yes, last value is 0, but don't go 100%. It may differ as well. So I will add that video, that link, that script in my video, so that you can just copy and use this. So that's all for this video. If you have learned something new, kindly like and subscribe. Thanks for